Alright, so guys, so let's try or answer the practice activity of this Python developers. Yan, ang tanong dyan first, what will the code send to the screen? So yan, print level up. So yun nakalagay doon sa quotation marks yung print level up. Yan yung malalabas doon sa developer. Ayan. Then continue. So complete the code. Siyempre, first syntax natin is print. And then yung laman ng parenthesis ay yung email. And then complete the code for using so siyempre print. Wala siyang parenthesis. Then ko lang ng quotation mark. And then so siyempre ito na plain string. Ayan. So ayan. Kailangan niyang quotation mark. And then print. Then naman nun is a string as dito sa choices. So turn right. And then syempre yung syntax. And then string quotation marks. And then ito open and close parenthesis. Then complete. So ito. So since integer dito, hindi na natin kailangan ng quotation mark kasi hindi naman siya string. Then print, open, close, lagay is great job. Then ito. And then what is search instruction this code is keeping to the computer. So yan, may 24. So nag-print siya ng 24. 24 is the integer. So syempre to display the number 24 on the screen. You delete those are complete. You're going to use your coding powers for good. Ayan. So next natin pag-aaralan ng memory and variables kay Python. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.